In today's video, I will be showing you how to add extensions to Microsoft Edge from the Google Chrome Store. So if you want to add extensions in Edge, you can easily do so from the Microsoft Store, but you can now also add your favourite extensions from the Chrome Web Store. So to do this, all you need to do is open up your Edge browser. You now need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click on Extensions. You now need to select Allow Extensions from Other Stores down here in the bottom left, and then just check you're happy with this and press Allow. So as you can see, this is now toggled to on, so you can now click on here, Get Extensions from the Chrome Web Store, and you can then choose your favourite extensions that you want to add. As you can see, there's plenty to choose from, so if I just select a random one, so Custom Cursor for Chrome, then click on Add to Chrome. You will then get a little pop-up or notification asking if you want to add it to Microsoft Edge. So simply click on Add Extension, and there we go, it's now added to the Microsoft Edge browser. If you just go back to the Extensions tab, you can then check all your installed extensions here. As you can see, Custom Cursor for Chrome, and it's actually enabled to on. If you did want to turn it off, just click here and it'll be off. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.